Sorry I couldn't present tonight. I'm in the Bahamas on vacation with my family, and there's some spotty Wi-Fi, so it would be difficult to present. But this is kind of where I got the dolphin theme that you can see. So here's my website. This is my the dolphin animation, and you can see that it kind of gets responsive on here. I'll show that in a little bit. But for now, you can see here's my navigation. As you hover over it, it kind of pops up with this little almost circle to rectangle effect as you hover over. And then you can see the dolphin is another animation. And then image hover effects here. For Project 4, I think I'd like to add a caption with these hover effects, but kind of was tricky to learn. The code just gets so long, so it's kind of hard to implement it in. So I just kind of wanted to start with this, and then Project 4, I'll probably add captions about each kind of dolphin these are. And then I use Flexbox to make these all proportionally aligned with CSS. And then here is the basic info page, and the dolphin here only flips once, and then he kind of just hangs out at the bottom there, as you can see, just because I didn't want it to be distracting when people are reading the other parts. And then you can see that my other little animation effect is the bubbles, so subtle enough but not distracting from the reader. And then I used an advanced CSS method for the full background page, which was perfect because I was having difficulty making the whole water background fill, and I wanted it to go top to bottom as if you were actually underwater like a dolphin would be, and then how they rise to surface. So that was perfect for this type of image. And then fun facts, this page is just super basic right now. I have to fill it in more for Project 4, but I'm just going to basically have a facts listing here about dolphins and maybe add another animation or whatever else that we learn. But this dolphin just keeps flipping, but just because you scroll down as you learn about the facts and into the ocean, so I figured this dolphin wasn't too distracting. And then we'll go back to the home page to show the responsiveness. You can see it kind of just all moves as you get along. Sky keeps on floating along. And then same with basic info. All of that just keeps adjusting more. And you can see he hangs out again. Fun facts. And then as you get smaller, this all adjusts, but then when you get super small, this guy moves down there and he kind of just hangs out. And you can see that the images I wanted to keep them big so that you'd be able to see them, so they're just all in line, and then obviously the navigation effects are gone since you can't use hover on a phone. And then you get smaller, and I'll show you the other pages. Basic info, same thing. I put this guy here, he just hangs out. The bubbles move through though as someone's looking. Same thing here, and then this guy just kind of hangs out over here. Sorry, my desktop is very cluttered. But this guy just hangs out here, just kind of goes back and forth, and he does on the home page too. Yeah, so, and then this is obviously the smallest and all that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my website, and I'm really excited to see your guys' projects when I watch the recording. Thank you.